Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to reconcile your bank account with Goodbudget. This is a really important step in managing your finances, and it can be a bit confusing if you're not sure what you're doing. But don't worry, I'm here to help. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to talk about why reconciliation is so important. When you reconcile your bank account with Goodbudget, you're essentially making sure that the two accounts match. This helps you to track your spending and ensure that you're on track to meet your financial goals. Now that we understand the importance of reconciliation, let's get started. Here are the steps you need to follow. Gather your materials. You'll need your bank statement, your Goodbudget account, and a pen and paper. Compare your transactions. Start by comparing the transactions on your bank statement to the transactions in your Goodbudget account. Make sure that the amounts, dates, and descriptions match. Adjust your Goodbudget account. If you find any discrepancies, adjust your Goodbudget account to match your bank statement. This may involve adding or deleting transactions or changing the amount of a transaction. Reconcile your account. Once you've made any necessary adjustments, reconcile your account. This will ensure that the two accounts are in sync. Review your results. After you've reconciled your account, take a moment to review your results. This will help you to identify any areas where you need to improve your budgeting. Tips for reconciling your bank account with Goodbudget. Reconcile your account regularly. It's a good idea to reconcile your account at least once a month. This will help you to stay on top of your finances and identify any problems early on. Be patient. Reconciling your bank account can be a time-consuming process. Don't get discouraged if it takes you a while. Use a spreadsheet. If you find it helpful, you can use a spreadsheet to track your transactions. This can make it easier to compare your bank statement to your Goodbudget account. Ask for help. If you're having trouble reconciling your bank account, don't hesitate to ask for help. There are many resources available to help you, including online forums, customer support, and financial advisors. Reconciling your bank account with Goodbudget may seem like a daunting task, but it's an important step in managing your finances. By following the tips in this video, you can make the process easier and more efficient. If you're looking for a budgeting tool that can help you reach your financial goals, I highly recommend Goodbudget. You can learn more about Goodbudget at https://goodbudget.com. I would also love to hear from you about your own experiences with reconciling your bank account with Goodbudget. Please leave a comment below and share your tips and tricks. Thanks again for watching.